In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a price alert using Perplexity AI, a tool that can help you stay on top of your financial assets with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Perplexity AI. You can do this on any device that suits you, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features seamlessly. Once you're in, head over to the Finance section. If you're specifically interested in a particular asset, such as a stock, fund, or cryptocurrency, you can navigate directly to it. This is where you'll be able to gather all the relevant information tied to your investment interests. For those looking to monitor a specific stock, the next step is to type in the stock ticker symbol of your choice. Let's take Apple, for example, whose ticker symbol is AAPL. Simply enter AAPL to bring up all the detailed data about Apple's stock. After searching for the ticker, click on the stock name that appears to delve deeper into its financial specifics. This page will show you the current stock status, historical data, and much more that you may find insightful. We're especially interested in setting alerts today, so let's move on to locate that particular feature. Look over to the left side of your screen for a bell icon. This is where you'll find the Create Price Alert option. It's straightforward and easy to spot, designed to make sure users can quickly access the alert settings without hassle. Once you've clicked on the bell icon, it's time to set up your alert conditions. This part is key. You'll be presented with options that allow you to specify your notification criteria. For example, you may want to be alerted if Apple's stock drops below a certain price, like $230. Simply input this condition, and you'll be on your way to receiving timely alerts whenever there's a change in the stock price correlating to your specifications. Now that you've set the conditions, the final step is to choose how you wish to receive these notifications. Perplexity AI offers you a choice between email alerts and push notifications. Depending on your personal preference and whether you're more frequently checking emails or prefer instant alerts on your mobile device, make your selection. This customization ensures that you never miss an important alert, keeping you informed in real time and helping you make timely investment decisions. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to stay updated on your financial interests using Perplexity AI. By setting these alerts, you ensure that you're always up to date with the latest fluctuations in the market. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and I hope this guide helps you maximize your investment strategy.